What's up, everybody? There's Bo hiding back there. Here's the deal. We got to go through this really fast. So I got like 9% battery. I left my neem oil inside. I was going to do neem oil and fertilizer today, but we just got the fertilizer. Let's try to speed through this. Before the camera dies on me, or the phone, I mean. I don't think it will, but let's just in case. And I got more work to do. I'm going to come back and do the neem oil, the neem myself. But I wish I brought it out, man. I wanted to add some depth to this video and talk about some other things, but we'll speed through. This will be one of my faster gardening videos. This is an all-purpose fertilizer, by the way. Trying to hit it on a good day like this. It rained last night, so the dirt's nice and soft and broken up. Got some nice holes in it. Nice aeration. And plus, the rain brings the bugs out, which causes even better aeration. It's like, holes in the soil for water to get down to the roots. It's a good thing. Bugs are a good thing. Well, I don't use noxious pesticides. I want the bugs, baby, but not the pests. So I got the neem. Neem can be toxic, but not to your plants. Most importantly. Don't want to, man, I made the mistake, terrible mistake. And I guess this video's about regrets now. One second, let me grab this thing the right way. I'm like holding it like that. There we go. But regrets in the past. I have used noxious, like one made by Raid. Do not buy the Raid garden spray. It says safe for plants, but you got to read it very carefully. Don't just think you can spray it all over your plants. I learned the hard way, and I had a plant turn black, and it was devastating. If you know me, I kind of care about my plants. I personalize them and everything. And I believe it was if I remember correctly, I think an Arabica coffee plant. It was beautiful. Big. I had a nice fertilizer for it. I'm going to come back. Speaking of fertilizer, I'm going to come back and hit this lemon tree with its own citrus fertilizer. I left that in the house as well. But and I cut up a nice compost for it. Had big plans for it. It loved orange peels. It loved orange peels because they were it made the soil acidic, which a coffee plant, of course, will love. And I think it was close to fruiting, growing beans, and I sprayed that stupid stuff on it because of gnats. And I was a noob at this, and I lost my plant. It turned black and died within like 2 days. Then I read you don't spray it directly on the plant, just around it or whatever. But I never bought that stuff again. The green can, do not buy it. Raid garden spray. If you got pests, get neem oil. Anyways, man, everything looks great. I don't use the same angle as the other day. It's kind of repetitive at this point. And man, I got that done in less than 3 minutes. Maybe this angle, because you can see my little, what do you call them? I don't know, man. The little things on the bottom, little stands. But I think we'll take a picture from that angle maybe. Anyways, guys, I'll figure that out. That's not important. Bo, say goodbye. You want to zoom in on Bobby? All right, love you. See you. God bless. Grow something today. You may love it.